Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm going to be working on this diamond painting next. This is a gorgeous 30 by 40 luminous elephant, and when I first saw it I was just like, wow, I love all the colors in the background and I love the design. It just looks amazing. It has, let me see, 12, 13, 14 different drills in it. It is a luminous, and I think it's got special drills. Yeah, it's got special drills as well, but I love this color combo. I just love it just as it is, actually. I think it works absolutely beautifully. So I'll zoom you in so you can have a closer look at that drill field. So in we go. So lots to do there. There's heaps to do, actually. I love that background. I love how he's holding that lotus flower. I think it's just gorgeous. And another thing too, I really like these sort of designs pattern in his trunk. I think that looks really cool. Coming up to his ears. I just think it's beautiful. Up the top. Now there's two symbol keys, one on each side. But I don't think I'll have any issues at all reading those symbols. So we'll come over here. Symbol key is quite small, but I don't think it'll be an issue reading that. But I just love the design. I love the designs, like this color pattern in his ears. I think it's going to look amazing. All right, I'll zoom you back out again. Out we go. And I'll show you those drills. The drills come on standard strips. Okay, we've got some separate ones there. So you've got some beautiful blue rounds. You've got these gorgeous, I love these drills where they have that sort of little imprint of the flower in there. Whoops, you got some large marquee there of the yellow and some frosted yellow rounds. And then on the strips you've got your luminous drills here. So you've got your blue and yellow and clear, and then you've got those beautiful clear sort of floral stamp in there too. The smaller ones, they are just gorgeous. And then you have some AB coated orange and AB coated yellow, so you got some extra sparkle there. Got some dark orange rhinestones, some blue rhinestones, some AB white, and you've got some more yellow rhinestones. So that's going to be an interesting color pattern going on there. Sorry, brain's taking a while to catch up. So this background color is can't read it, 6. Yeah, 6. So what color is that? Oh, so that background color is orange. That color. Okay, that's going to be interesting. I would have loved it. That sort of brown color, I think, would have looked really cool. Anyway, we'll get in there and pop those drills down and see how that turns out. But colors so far look amazing. So there you go. That's the next diamond painting that I'm going to be working on. I will get back to you once I'm finished, give you a review, let you know how I went with this, if there's any issues, what I liked, what I didn't like, etc., etc. So I'm going to jump in and get started, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so all finished. How amazing did this turn out? I wasn't sure about the background colors, the orange and the yellow, but I think they look absolutely amazing. I love the shapes of the drills that they've used, and the colors, they just work so well together. And then you've got this beautiful blue that just really makes the whole design pop. I think it came up amazing. The drills were really, really high quality. I can't knock them. They were just amazing. So I will zoom you in so you can have a closer look at that drill field. So in we go. And I don't think I'll be able to get... Yeah, you can't really tell. Very, very shiny drills. I love this blue. I think that looks so good. And that's the, there was 3 different luminous drills. And blue was one of them, that light blue. And you come up here and you've got the orange around the edging and that's the luminous. And then you have, what else was, oh, the white. The white around the design there is also luminous. But I love the design on his trunk. I love the design in his ears, actually. I think that looks amazing. But I think it turned out absolutely beautifully. So there was 14 different drills in that. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, I'll zoom you back out again. So out we go. And I will show you the leftover drills. So there was heaps and heaps of leftovers. I just worked on this diamond painting, just, you know, straight out of the bags. Just use my little container here. It's nice and easy. But there was lots and lots of leftovers. Definitely use them for another project because they were such good quality. I think my favorite drills were these ones here. I don't know if it'll show, but they are so silvery and sparkly. They're just amazing. Really beautiful. And there's heaps left over, so I'll be able to use them for other projects. And there's the other ones there. So there was lots and lots of leftovers. The luminous drills were that blue. There we go. Blue, yellow, and orange and white. And so they glow in the dark when you turn the light off. But there was lots and lots left over. And what I'm going to do with these luminous ones, because I won't use them in another project, I will put them in my jars where I put my leftover drills in. You know, you just pour them in. And I do it in layers, and I'll have a layer of the glow and dark ones. And then when you turn the light off, the jar will glow. So that's what I'm going to do with those. And then of these guys, so there was plenty left over. Lots and lots of leftovers, which I will definitely be using for another project. But that is my gorgeous elephant. How amazing does that look? I'm going to be framing this. It is just way too pretty to be putting it in a box and hiding it away. So I will try to find room to hang that up. But anyway, that is my latest diamond painting from One Day Saving. I would like to thank One Day Saving very much for sending this out to me for review. I absolutely love it. The quality is amazing. And I will put the link to this in the description box below if you're interested. But thank you so much, One Day Saving, and thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time.